Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to the Python series. In today's video, we are going to do the installation of the Jupyter notebook. So basically whatever the Python code execution I'm planning to do in this series, I'm doing that execution on the Jupyter notebook. So first we will see how to install the Jupyter notebook. So before we start with that, let's understand what is the Jupyter notebook. So it is an open source web application that allow user to create and share the document that contains the live code, equations, visualization, and the narrative text. So you can write the code, you can write the text, you can see the output. Everything is happening in the Jupyter notebook only. It supports various programming language, but it most commonly used with Python, and you can write and execute the code in the cells which can be run independently. So you may have see we need to create a new project or something on one page, you can execute just one code, but here you can see you can execute all the codes in the cells. Jupyter supports a visualization, so for the visualizing data, mostly for the data science and data visualization, data analysis purpose, we use the Jupyter notebook. You can include the text formatted in the markdown alongside your codes for the notes and explanation. And Jupyter supports multiple kernels like Python, R, Julia, etc., allowing you to switch the languages within the same environment. So it is widely used in a data science, machine learning, and academic research due to its flexibility in combining code, results, and explanation in a single document. So we are going to do the Jupyter installation through the Anaconda Navigator. So what is the Anaconda Navigator? For Jupyter, we need the Python language installation plus the Jupyter installation, so that everything will come in the Anaconda Navigator. So how to do installation, we will see that. First, let's understand what is the Anaconda. So Anaconda Navigator is a desktop graphical user interface provided by Anaconda that allow user to manage their Python environment, packages, project without using the command line. So it is particularly useful for the beginners and those who prefer a more visual approach to managing their Python setup. So you can handle the environment easily. You can create, switch, and manage multiple Python environment with a different versions of a Python and the packages. You can install, update, and remove Python packages through Anaconda without needing the command line. And you can launch the popular application as we discussed. The Jupyter is there, which is used for the interactive coding and sharing the notebook. Then apart from the Jupyter, we have a Spider, VS Code, RS Studio. So those used for the different purpose. For example, Spider is a powerful IDE for the Python. VS Code is another popular code editor that integrates with well with the Python. RS Studio is a use for the R programming language. How to do installation of the Anaconda Navigator? Let's understand. So for that, you need to first visit Anaconda official download page. So just go to the www.anaconda.com. Here you will see the option to the download now. Click on this download now. Provide your email address here and click on the submit. Once you send the email address, it will send the link of the download in your email. So go to your email and check the download option. Here you can see in the email, I got the email from the Anaconda. So you can click on the download now and it will download the Anaconda application. So once you click on that, it is showing download now option. So here we are downloading this application for the Windows. So this is application available for the Windows, Mac and the Linux. So currently I'm using the 64-bit application. my you can check your operating system if it is a 32-bit or 64-bit. According to that, you can select the particular installation. You can see the Python version here, it is showing Python 3.12. So currently this is the latest version. So when you are doing the installation, whatever the latest version is available, you can install for that latest Python version. So I'm clicking on the 64-bit graphic installer for the Windows. So it started downloading. I have already downloaded the Anaconda application. So I'm canceling this installation. Once it is downloaded, you just need to click on the next and download this application. Once it is downloaded, you can go to your search application and search for the Anaconda. It will show the Anaconda Navigator. Click on this. It will open the application like this, Anaconda Navigator. Here you will see there are different applications are available. As we discussed, the VS Code is there, the Spider application is there, and there is a lot of application, and the Jupyter Notebook is also there. So click on the launch. Once you click on the launch, it will open the Jupyter Notebook. So it will open the Jupyter Notebook. So this is the one way to open the Jupyter Notebook. You can go to the Anaconda Navigator, and from there you can open the Jupyter Notebook. The another way is you can directly search for the Jupyter Notebook and open from there. So here you can see the Jupyter Notebook is available. Just click on that and it will open the application directly. So how to use the Jupyter Notebook? What are the different shortcuts are available? So how to do Python execution using the Jupyter Notebook, that we will see in the next lecture. So thank you for watching this video till the end and have a nice day.